Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn different actions related to list variable in Microsoft RPA tool Power Automate Desktop. A list variable holds a collection of values. So now we will learn actions such as create new list, add item to list, remove item from list and then clear list. Let's select the variable actions. Here we have all the actions related to the variables. For this, create new list, take a list variable name, student list. Now it has created. Then we will add items, add item to list. Let's take the item student1 and the list. We will select the already created variable here, student list, save, then copy paste, added these items. These are student2, then take this, added all of them, student3, student4, then student5. So these are the 5 items. Now we will display this in order to check what is in the output. Just take display message. This is our result. Select the messages to display. Select this variable student list, click on save, then run. So it's running. See, in the result we have all these 5 students. Now we have learned how to add item to a list. Now we will learn how to remove item from this list. In this variable, see, remove item from list. We will take this. Here we can remove, firstly select from list, from which list we need to remove. Then we can remove item with respect to index and also with respect to value. Firstly take with respect to value. With value, remove student2, remove all item occurrences. If we are having like duplicacy in our list, then we should allow this, so that we can remove all the occurrence of this student2 value. This is as per the requirement. Now with respect to value we will remove student2. Just take it little above, take one more, and from here this time we will remove with respect to index. So with respect to index, we will at index take 0. From 0th index means student1. From list, student list, save. Here is the output, run. So in the display message we can see the output. See, from this has removed student2 and from 0 index we have student1. It has also removed both of them. So we have in the result student3, 4 and 5 only. Now we will learn how to totally clear this list. Here we have the clear list action. We just need to select the list, student list, save. After clearing the list, we can check the output in a display message. So the output will be empty. See, the student list does not contain any value. Here also in our flow variables we can check student list, empty. There is only the big bracket. There is no any items. In the more upcoming videos we will learn further actions related to list and more. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more related knowledgeable videos. Thank you.